Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can hard reset Villaon V20 or other Androids that you have right now to erase data. You don't need any tool to hard reset or reset your phone. So let's get started. If you have an Android phone, you want to remove your, or you cannot open screen lock or any feature that lock on your Android, and you cannot unlock, you can open your Android. So the main solution, the only one solution, is doing hard reset. In order to hard reset your phone, you can hold two buttons. The first button is the power button, and the second button is volume up button. So you can hold that two buttons and then wait for recovery screen on. And after recovery screen is on, you can choose wipe data or factory reset, and then tap OK and wait the process, and then choose restart. Then your Android phone will return or revert into the factory reset when your first time you bought the phone. But if you want to there is a second case. You can unlock the screen lock, you can open your phone, but you need to reset your phone. No need any tools, no need a third-party software. You can go to the settings, reset your phone from the settings by go to the here. You can go to the backup and reset, and you can erase all data of your system. You can erase all data including photo and musics. To clean install your phone, go back to the first time when you bought the phone. Feel free to try it out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click the button below. See you in the next video.